Okay, Aria, we're ready to do some more. There's Mom and Daddy. Anthony! We're making a video for Aria. Uh-huh.
Hi, Aria!
Okay. I'll put it on there tonight for her. Hurry up and set another one off for her, Anthony, so she can see it. Was there a lot of them across the street last night?
Mine's over there. Yeah, it's right over there. You know where I put it? No. Right there in front.
Sorry, there's nobody. I don't know see him, but there's your daddy right there. There's Scout. There he is. There's Grandma.
What? Right there.
There they go. Daddy's got a light in his hand. There's Anthony. There's Bubba running out there. There's your mommy. Blakey's behind you. You can smell that gunpowder stuff. Here we go, Aria. I'll show you that. There they go. Ooh, right above my head. Ah, it's coming down on me. Ah! That better up on my head. That's got to come down somewhere. Look at all the smoke. This thing's got to come down somewhere. Look at this thing.
Yeah, I'll move this.
You want me to bring your chair? You can sit there and I'll get you.
When those things come down, they got to get some heat. I had one come down in my house. My neighbor did. They have a great my big plant.
No! I said no, Anthony.
Aria.
I said no.
Say what? Say hi, Aria.
Walk in, wait.
Here's Blakey.
His hands a second.
Yeah.
I said no, Anthony.
Picking up.
You're not answering now.
Come on, you guys. Here we go. Here we go, Aria. Here we go. Start. Up above. You gotta come down somewhere. Oh, it's everywhere. Well, no, one of those things here from here.
Don't do it again.
Come on, Aria. Autumn. Anthony, don't do it again.
Anthony, don't!
Autumn.
It's okay, honey.
Why don't you worry about me? Damn it.
Hi, dog. How are you? Come here, Blake.
You got rid of your other dog, Midnight.
Blake.
Oh.
Blakey.
Wow. All right, I'll walk right out here with them. I'm out here with Anthony. It's hard to see, but watch for the fireworks. There's some all around us. Okay, here comes your daddy and Anthony.
Huh?
I'm talking to Aria.
You want me to live or something?
No, I'm videotaping for tonight. That's the problem. Look, Aria.
That's what I got one of those. It only came with one of them in there.
What
Your dad told you got? Your dad told you what he went out and got? Yeah, an extra box? Yeah.
You have to go in.
Mine's getting reformatted right now. I'm getting extra memory and some other stuff on make it run faster. You be getting that game you have before you get one live?
What's this one called?
This is a mortar shell. We're going to do something different after this.
Both of them's mortar shells?
Yeah.
Here we go, Aria.
On
There's
your
one, there's two, and I'm running back. Oh, something above my head. Okay. It's still taping. Here we go. We got the light on and everything. Here's the
What is that?
it's taping.
I don't know. I don't know if this is anything different.
Put them over there.
These ones look bigger than these ones.
Do I have to take the paper off of it?
No.
And yeah? You can't do it. Watch that.
Oh. Okay, here we go, Aria. Mommy's doing this one. And Anthony. We're saving this time. There's Mommy.
Scout, watch out, Scout.
Come on, Scout. Come on, Nancy. There's Mommy. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Scout.
There's Anthony. Is it Aria?
Scout.
Wow.
Did it light?
Scout's right out there watching.
Oh, did you burn yourself?
You were pouring on my shirt. Okay, Aria, I'm going to make a third video because this one's getting long.
Your dog is crazy, Aria. He's chasing the fireworks.
He likes
There he goes.
He likes the fireworks.
There he goes.
Here goes another one,
Watch
Aria.
him. Watch him.
Look, Scout. Wow, look at him going out there with the fireworks. Woo! I think there's another one coming out. Still smoking. Is there another one coming out of that? Okay, I'm going to cut this one off. There goes the doggy. No, doggy. Come on. He likes fireworks. Come here, Scout. I've never seen a dog that likes fireworks. That's the first dog I've seen in my life that likes fireworks.
Mailbox or whatever.
Mailbox.
Okay, we're going to get this one. I'm going to cut this one off and start a new one.